Hey everybody, Justin with Lucky 8 Off-Road, and today I'm going to show you how to install our Proud Rhino bash plate on the front of this LR4. If you have a CFE bumper or a Proud Rhino bumper, this is the beauty plate, and it actually serves a purpose to keep all of the debris and garbage off the lower radiator. I'm also going to install the underbelly skid, so grab a beer, roll the clip. I'll be back in a minute. I'm going to start with the little belly pan skid plate. We're going to replace it with the larger aluminum one. What you need to do is remove all of these factory 13 mil bolts, get the factory plate out of the way. Then we're going to use the same hardware to reinstall our new Proud Rhino plate. If for any reason your bolts get boogered up, it's just a simple, what are they? They look like 10 mil, not too long. You can find them in any hardware store. I'll get to work. With the little plate out of the way, it's time to put on the Proud Rhino plate. I like to start right here by the control arm. There's a welded nut on the back side of it. I get it up there, get it loose, move to the other side, get all the hardware in, and then tighten it down. All right, now on to the hard part, the bash plate. So it's got two holes, one here, and they mount to the hole right here in this subframe. So what I want to do is get those on loose. Then I can mark where we're drilling a hole into our little bent piece on the bottom of the winch bumper. But you're going to have this little hardware kit that comes with it. You'll see it's put together. We're going to want to put the nut on top. We're going to put this aluminum spacer right here. And then we're going to bolt the skid plate up on each side. Then we can align it, mark it, drill it, and then nut and bolt this up. I have the plate snugly in place. It's not totally tightened down yet. And I made it even here. You can run your finger across the top, make sure that the gap is right, or else the plate will sit a little wonky. You won't like that. And I'm using a 5/16 drill bit. I'm gonna double check that. Correct, 5/16 drill bit. I'm gonna mark my little pilot holes here. I'm gonna drill through and bolt this up. With your holes drilled, all you have left to do is mount the Allen head hardware on each side. Just slide the nut through, align it, tighten it down. There you have it. Easy peasy install. I give it a 1 beer on our beer meter. It's actually a fun job because when it's done, you have this amazing looking front end. The bash plate is doing great work for you, protecting the lower radiator. The skid plate obviously can take some beating, and you can go out and hit some rocks with it. On that, guys, I'll see you on the next one.